Assalamu alaikum, students of class 4. Welcome to the 13th video lecture of class 4 English. We have to solve C4 here today. C4. This is that join the following sentences with who or which. Remember that we usually use who for people and which for things. Now we have to guess where we can use which and where we can use the first other one, which and who. Now for the first line here, this is a dog dash has a strange name, and for dog we have to use which. You can write which here. Both these sentences, one here and one here, will be joined with the help of which. This is the bin which the dog tipped over. These both sentences, I'm writing it here because I don't really have much space here. So which, and for the next one, this is the teacher who actually you have to cut some of the words like which has a strange name. We have to cut it, the, and here she will be cut, and a who will be placed to join both the sentences. This is a teacher who told the boys to be quiet, and these are the children. They are throwing water at us. They are the children, and for the children, because they are people, persons, so who will be used. We have to cut they. This is the fence, and if we cut they, we can use here which they looked over, because fence is an object, is a thing. This is Mohit. If we cut he, we can use who to join both the sentences. This is the cat. We have to cut it. Comes into our house every night. Which comes into our house every night. So that was today's our activity, and it will be solved on your books. And in next video lecture.